The hotel that we're staying in Bombay, you can fit two 2 BHKs in that one hotel. It's terrible. I think we brought the reins with us. That up on screen, and I'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Can we have the video, please?
एक राजा था, एक रानी थी, उनकी अमर प्रेम कहानी थी।
कहानी हमेशा राजा रानी की ही क्यों रहे?
एक सास थी, एक थी बहू, अब उनके बारे में तो क्या ही कहूँ।
कहानियों में एक सही और एक गलत ही क्यों रहे?
एक रावण था, एक था राम, एक को पड़ी गालियां और तालियां दूसरे के नाम।
कहानियों में भी हम जीत और हारी क्यों सुने?
क्यों ना इस बार हम खुद की ही कोई कहानी चुने। कॉलेज की फर्स्ट और लास्ट बेंच की कहानी को तो सबको पता है, मैं वो मिडिल बेंच वाली कहानी हूँ। ओ भाई मैंने टॉप किया, यार मैं फेल हो गया कि उसके बीच में कहीं चलो पास हो जाए फिर दिखेंगे कहने वाली कहानी। मैं होशियार नहीं हूँ तो मैं ड्रॉप भी नहीं हूँ, मैं हिट नहीं हूँ तो मैं फ्लॉप भी नहीं हूँ, मैं वो कहीं बीच में आता हूँ। इस एक्सट्रीम्स की दुनिया में मैं एवरेज कहलाता हूँ, मैं हूँ युवा।
चलो बात तुम्हें बताती हूँ। मैं
We've gone to many colleges. We've met a lot of young people offline, over 100,000 in the last 5-6 years. Some of you are from Gargi and LSR. Give me a cheer. This is our college community, guys. We love LSR, we love Gargi, we love a lot of colleges in Delhi. Don't feel bad if I'm not mentioning your name. There seems to be a lack of hope. If we can get people to this event and they can leave feeling a little bit more hopeful, then we would have done our jobs. This is in February and I have a list of bad stuff that's happened to the world since then, right? Climate change, that's a big one. I know Delhi was flooded recently. Bombay gets flooded every year, but somehow it's been extra bad this year. You just have dust storms coming out of nowhere, hoardings falling down, places that should not be getting this much rain, getting a lot of rain.
That was a sad woo, guys. We don't do this in Delhi. Nah. Alright, let's welcome Yuva, the Delhi style. आएगा नानी, क्या कोई मेरा भी आशियाना सजाएगा? तो नानी ने कहा हाँ पगली, आएगा ना, आएगा क्यों नहीं, तुम भी तो हमारी राजकुमारी ही हो। उस दिन से जैसे इंतजार की घड़ियां शुरू हो गई। फिल्मों में भी ऐसे ही होता है, राजकुमार आता है, म्यूजिक शुरू हो जाता है, पीछे बजने लगते हैं, एवरी सॉन्ग इज अबाउट दैट गाय, यू नो। उस दिन से जैसे इंतजार की घड़ियां शुरू हो गई, मेरी हर छोटी से छोटी ख्वाहिश, बड़े से बड़ा सपना उस राजकुमार के इर्द गिर्द लिपटता चला गया। और माँ कोई ख्वाहिश पूरी भी तो नहीं होने देती थी। मैं जब भी पूछती माँ 9 से 12 मूवी जाऊं, माँ कॉलेज ट्रिप है जाने दो ना, तो माँ कहती तुम्हारा राजकुमार आएगा ना तुम्हें ले जाने, उसके साथ जाना जहां जाना हो। Falls in love with the body falls in love with the soul, and the soul again falls in love with the brain. All right, the first thing, let the mind fall in love with the body. Have we truly loved ourselves? कब होता है कि हम आईना देखते हैं और हमें अपने स्कार्स नहीं दिखते और खूबसूरती दिखती है? होता है क्या ऐसा कभी? No. है ना? Because we've not celebrated our scars enough. So for the next 2 minutes, we're going to celebrate those scars. Can we do that?
Yes.
All right. This bye. Here I go. चेहरे पर मेरे एक दाग है, मेरी नाक जरा है इधर उधर, आंखों से जरा मैं भटकती हूँ, दिखती हूँ थोड़ी अलग अलग। लोग मुझे देखकर नजरें चुराते हैं, एक बार को अटपटाते हैं, फिर दूसरे ही पल बड़े दया भाव से मुस्कुराते हैं। वो पूछते हैं मुझसे चेहरे पर जो ये दाग है, क्या बचपन की कोई याद है? याद जिसका काम है बीते कल की बातों से मेरे आज को चुराना और तुम जैसे लोगों को मुझे अपनाने से डराना। तो मैं भी कह देती हूँ उनसे कि ये डर जो तुम्हारे सर बदन पर लिपटा है, मेरे बस चेहरे तक सीमित है। बचपन जिंदा है मेरा, निडर हूं मैं आज भी, मेरे सर पे है बेफिक्री का वो ताज भी। मुझे खौफ नहीं सूरज जो मेरा रंग चुरा ले, बारिश जो मुझे भिगा ले, मैं तो खुद बारिश की उन बूंदों से कुछ रंग चुरा लेती हूँ। धूप निकलते ही उन्हें अपने बदन पर सुखा लेती हूँ, वो बूंदें जिनमें बसती मेरे अंदर की सारी आग है। लोग समझते इसे बस मेरे चेहरे का एक दाग है। वो लोग वो लोग जो इसे मेरी बदकिस्मती बदसूरती बताते हैं, खुद रखने से पहले कदम घर के बाहर घंटों आईने के सामने बिताते हैं। वो लोग जो मांगकर काले काजल से इजाजत, वो लोग जो मांगकर काले काजल से इजाजत करते हैं सफेद रंग की इबादत। वो काला काजल जो किसी की आंखों को सजाता है, वो काला कपड़ा जो किसी के बदन को बड़ी खूबसूरती से छिपाता है, फिर न जाने क्यों वो गोरा बदन काले चेहरों से दूरी बनाता है। क्या खबर उसे कि उसकी आंखों में बसता वो गोरेपन का गुरूर महज एक काला काजल उठाता है। मगर दस्तूर कुछ ऐसा ही है जमाने का कि जला सके सूरज हर सुबह, चांद हर रोज छिप जाता है। मगर ये चेहरा जलता है उस चांद से, लिखे जिस पर किस्से हजार, लिखे जिस पर नगमे हजार, और इस चेहरे पर एक दाग नहीं। क्यों? उस चांद पे क्या कोई दाग नहीं? मगर दस्तूर कुछ ऐसा ही है जमाने का कि ये दाग जो आंगन में हो तो चादर बिछाना जरूरी, ये दाग जो कपड़े पे हो तो मिटाना जरूरी, और ये दाग जो चेहरे पे हो तो बदसूरत वो चेहरा छुपाना जरूरी। इस जमाने से तो वो साबुन ही बेहतर हैं जो काम में अपने कच्चे हैं, मगर फिर भी कहते हैं कि दाग अच्छे हैं। मेरे चेहरे पर जो ये दाग है एक निशानी है, सीमा कोई तोड़ पाने की, किसी मुश्किल से लड़ जाने की। एक आवाज है तमाम इस खूबसूरत जमाने के लिए जो रूह को मारने चले हैं और रूप संवारने चले हैं कि ये रूह एक दिन चली जाएगी, फिर रूप की ना कोई औकात रह पाएगी। एक सवाल है कि ये सीरत जिस दिन संवर जाएगी, क्या सूरत से वो टकराएगी? मेरे चेहरे पर जो ये दाग है, जिंदा इसके लाखों ख्वाब हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। मुस्कुराओ अगर दिल टूट गया है, किसी का जोड़ने के लिए किसी का तोड़ना पड़ता होगा शायद, और फिर भी रह जाए अगर दिल में दर्द कहीं तो बांट कर मुस्कुराओ, और है अगर दिल में खुशी ज्यादा तो सेम प्रोसेस दोहराओ।
And to moderate this very special conversation, if you know Yuva, then you've probably heard of Nikhil Taneja. He's our chief co-founder, originally CEO before I kind of took over. But he's still really cool. He's on YouTube premiering with new episodes every week. Have you guys watched Beer Man yet? We have a round of applause as we call on stage Yuva Chief and co-founder Nikhil Taneja to moderate this conversation. We'll be there.
Is cheering more than this side. Is that true? No. Yeah. Okay, let's do that again. Let's hear this side and then we'll see if this side can match up. Can you have a cheer here? अब देखो कर सकते हो तो बताओ मुझे, पता नहीं, मुझे तो लग रहा है जीत गए वैसे. But can you have a cheer here? Okay. Let's call it.
Drive people forward. It's very, very simple. If you're hopeful, at least for me, if I'm hopeful, I work better, I'm more pleasant, and I somehow get more done. The larger, of course, sometimes it can be very bleak. You can't necessarily turn up on all days. Civilizationally, the ideas that Arvind and Yogendra were bringing to the table and challenging, or Ravish is bringing to the table and challenging, for me they align with my larger yearning to better the systems that we have in public today. कि एक बेटर पॉलिटिक्स कैसे बना सकते हैं, एक बेटर मीडिया कैसे बना सकते हैं, because these questions and they are sort of timeless questions by themselves.
Top 100 digital stars. Can we have Dharna on stage, please? Huge round of applause for Dharna. How many of you guys like eating sweet stuff? Okay, and I mean everybody does, but I was just checking. Our next creator you might recognize because of that, Shivesh Bhatia, ladies and gentlemen. Following of over 5 million across social media platforms and has been sharing recipes on his blog Bake with Shivesh for over 10 years now. He was named Forbes 30 under 30 Asia in 2023 to 24. Also listed under the top 100 digital stars by Forbes. It's a really long intro, I can go on and on, but can we have Shivesh on stage, please? Huge round of applause. Check. Oh, my mic only works when music is playing. I see. Okay. Our next panelist, Ella De Verma, is a dynamic changemaker. Courageously followed her inner voice to forge her own identity, challenging and breaking many societal norms along the way. We have a huge round of applause for Ella.
I want to get a picture with her. I don't know how. I will take that picture.
Last but not least, another versatile creator whose journey has evolved from radio to now comedy content. But she's also an entrepreneur who runs a brand called Chicken Curry Hughes with her husband. Ranked 9th in the list of the country's top 100 digital stars. Can we have Harshita Gupta on stage? Huge round of applause. Huge round of applause, guys. You can keep clapping. Together, all 5 of us have over 20 million followers on social media. And to moderate this panel, somebody very special from the Yuva team. She's the creative head at Yuva, our creative powerhouse. A lot of the cool designs that you see, not just at the conclave, but everything we do at Yuva has been led by Anusha Shetty, who's going to moderate. Huge round of applause for Anusha, guys. I will leave you in Anusha's very capable hands. One last round of applause for this panel as we get started.
कर दो यार माइक ऑन.
I'm not a tech
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Now I'm okay.
Thank you, everybody.
You're a special being. I feel everybody is special, but this content can give you something that we could only have like dreamt for. Ki, oh my God, aisa hota hai, but you can actually live that life just via content. So it's magical. Lara, you want to go next?
Yeah. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Also, hi.
Hi.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर कोई भी अगर एक
Skeptical of what I was trying to do. And honestly, even for me, I never had a blueprint. I never had anybody to look at, somebody who was as young as me doing it as a full-time profession. And I think that led to a lot of confusion and self-doubt in my own journey. But I'm glad that now there's so many other people who are doing it and doing it so well for so many years that there's some roadmap to follow. So I think it's a great sign.
I think to add on to that, I think जब मैं रेडियो में I used to be a RJ with Radio Mirchi, तो my papa used to take this whole pride कि अरे मेरी बेटी RJ है, and one day I just told him कि मैं अब content बनाऊंगी. My dad did not understand what I'm saying, and he's like अरे but अब हम लोगों से क्या कहेंगे कि तुम RJ नहीं हो. उनका सबसे बड़ा डिप ये था कि अब मैं लोगों के सामने चौड़ा कैसे होऊंगा कि मेरी बेटी तो RJ है. And I was like तुम वीडियो बनाती हो, क्या वीडियो बनाती हो? And because I think back then when we started, it wasn't a thing.
content creator was not.
Yeah, content creation was not a thing. So I think अपनी families को समझाना और and I think I very clearly remember कि मैं पापा के साथ एक जगह बैठ के कॉफी पी रही थी and somebody came for a selfie and my dad उस दिन उनको actually लगा कि मेरी बेटी कुछ कर रही है. वो जैसे कि आप पापा पूछते तुम legit कर रही हो कुछ लाइफ में? He's like I'm aimlessly making videos. So yeah, I think it's quite a journey.
मेरी दादी ने भी रिसेंट इंटरव्यू में बोला कि आज तक उन्हें लगता है कि ये कुछ शूट करती है. उन्हें बोला आपको क्या लगता है क्या करती है? कुछ तो शूट करती है पूरे दिन. शूट करती है. Ella, you want to add to that?
Yeah, no, for like I really like what you said ki jo time when you started it wasn't a thing. So for me also like when you say that a lot of Gen Z consider themselves content creators या फिर एक बहुत ज़्यादा inclination है recently, I feel like it also has to do with the fact कि बहुत लोगों के लिए escape. Because for me personally it was very कि like school में तो नहीं कर सकते ये सब, मम्मी पापा के सामने नहीं कर सकते, but if I lock myself in a room and I do it in front of a camera, it gives me that liberty. And मौजा पैसा भी आ जाता है, तो why? So it serves as this great escape and also realistically speaking for the demographic that I represent and people from my community, realistically working for somebody else is difficult. Getting to college is difficult. Getting into an interview and having people look past who you are or your label is difficult. So having that kind of independence कि नहीं चाहिए यार, तुम मुझे hire करो नहीं करो, I have my phone and I have this internet connection and that's all it takes. So I think that's also why Gen Z has this major inclination because a lot of them want this escape or this freedom or to take control. So I think that's where the stats are coming from.
I completely agree.
गाड़ी No, I mean, I love the platform and influencing people and like changing the world. And it's a really big responsibility. Society and opinion. Thank you.
Well, what does it mean, guys? Okay?
I think it's been covered for everybody, but I would definitely say the freedom and the flexibility.
Definitely. Dharna for you? मतलब जो दिल में जो सॉरी दिल में कह रही बार बार दिल में जो मन करता है करने का वो आप करो हर दिन तो फिर अच्छा ही लगता है और ऐसा नहीं लगता कि ठीक है मतलब जो करने का मतलब यही जो
फ्रीडम एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मतलब जो मैंने अभी बोला था उसको
इसको थोड़ा तार में हिंदी में समझा रैपिड फायर हर्षिता
Kashmiri आँखों में, Kashmiri बातों में. Point 1 and point 2. I think the little bit of recognition that it has given me. I love that. I love the recognition, the validation.
Answer, guys. Can we hear a huge round of applause for this?
You guys want to become content creators, or those who wanted to become content creators don't want to become content creators anymore? You can keep clapping, guys. There's no.
All of you guys to describe what comes to you in your head as one adjective that you think describes the modern Indian woman today.
Badass.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll start with you. Sorry, what
Amazing.
did you say?
Badass.
Badass.
I was said with not the appropriate amount of confidence.
Right.
I think limitless.
Fab.
I'm still thinking.
Okay, we'll come back to you, Sejal. Shivani, what about you?
Hello. Yeah, I think ambitious.
Ambitious. Right. How many of you guys agree with the adjectives that they said? If I were to ask this question,
That are talking about sex, that are talking about their desires, and I think I'm very excited to see how it's shaping up. But we still have a really long way to go. I do have to add. That your eyes on will be the man that will fall in love with you. All of these things. And I feel very lucky to be a young actor in cinema today because only today can a Dhak Dhak be made where 4 women of 4 different age groups, one 60 plus, one 19, who's just.
So my question to you, I'll let all of you speak to her. I'll let all of you ask her questions. I just have one question. Jaldi se kar lunga yaar. My question to you is, wow, everyone has seen this. Criteria ये था entry पे. Now flames is an abbreviation. We know that, right? So let's go through that abbreviation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
You didn't ask your question. With 140 subscribers. नहीं चाहिए वो भी काम करें. Waiting in line for food, guys.
And relatable storytelling have been the hallmarks of a success. With a combined social media following of 2.5 million, her audience is eagerly awaiting Yaqeen as it promises an authentic and inspiring message. Yaqeen is deeply personal ballad inspired by Sejal's own experience battling self-doubt. Having
जाने क्यों तू ऐसी है सवालों में फंसी क्यों है जाने क्यों तू ऐसी है सवालों में फंसी क्यों है तेरी जिंदगी तेरे हाथ नहीं है
You know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Is that the word?
Devi Shandu do do do.
चलो गाते आ जाओ.
Someone said yes.
Someone wants it to be their birthday.
Yes.
I do. I don't mind.
Okay, we'll sing for her. What's her name, baby? Stella. We'll sing happy birthday, okay? For
Okay.
Her. It's your birthday.
Strides in media, diversity and advocacy. Can we have a round of applause for Meena, please? Next up is the youngest person that we're featuring on the stage. You guys have heard of Abhinandan Sekhri from News Laundry. Yes, I know some of you have come specially to see him. Abhinandan is the co-founder and CEO of News Laundry. It's won top honors including the Ramnath Goenka Excellence in Journalism Award and the Red Ink Award. He's also co-founded Small Screen, one of India's leading production houses, and is the General Secretary of Digipub News India Foundation. He's awesome. If you've not checked out News Laundry, you should. They're really doing God's work. So thanks Abhinandan for being here. We have a round of applause for Abhinandan. Our next panelist is somebody who bridges the gap between journalist and creator. He goes on Instagram as the Jumru, Arun Singh Jumru. He's a journalist and digital content creator, combines news reporting with light-hearted content, making him a clearly beloved figure on social media and off it. His work has been featured in various media outlets. He continues to inspire and entertain his audience through his unique blend of humor and
मैं उससे इतर थोड़ा सोचना चाहती हूँ. I would not say Gen Z is all fancy. Gen Z is not all Instagram. Maybe I have seen Gen Z who is also protesting against unemployment. They're also coming from rural and semi-urban background.
I want to say Tauba Tauba trend. We'll have to make you do the step if you say it. So.
Not in this one though, but yeah, I agree with her. I mean, there are, of course, more than that, but yes, social media, all the lingo is what I relate Gen Z की. Gen Z की वजह से हम sensationalize कर रहे हैं या फिर उसको सनसनी खेज बना रहे हैं, but जो 40 साल का व्यक्ति या 50 साल का व्यक्ति आज की डेट में न्यूज कंज्यूम कर रहा है, वो देखिए हमने क्या न्यूज कंज्यूम कर रहा है, वो कितनी ज्यादा वो वहां हुक्स हैं या कितनी मतलब मुझे कभी कभार लगता है कि बहुत इजीली हम ऐसा मान लेते हैं कि जेनजी को वो शॉक वैल्यू चाहिए. हाँ, बट ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. आई एग्री विद यू ऑन दैट, बट आई एम फाइन विद न्यूज बिकमिंग द कंटेंट एज लॉन्ग आई मीन जब तक वो सही इंफॉर्मेशन लेकर आ रही है अच्छे तरीके से. और
researcher there, but they have prime time shows, so the incentives are lined up completely warped. So you have to match the incentive. I think what's happening is with the internet, old models have got shaken up significantly, profoundly, and as they get destroyed, new models will come up. Our model is we don't take ads, we say pay to keep news free. Kids are too young to pay for news. You'd rather have a beer or whatever it is, and that's fine. You should not pay for news. That is your dads and moms and uncles and aunts and people of my age who should be paying for news. So you should convince them. Loser, pay. Okay? So you can
say hi.
Welcome to Vega's vlog.
I don't think the camera is catching any of that. बहुत ही
We just
Okay. Oh sorry. कैमरा इधर आओ यार. मैं तो
Gender and human rights. She's also done a lot of work documenting the disproportionate impact of rising temperature on marginalized communities.
Of expertise or something I might give off with respect to India, but I'm here and learning. But what I do know is this, that you talked about the importance of collaboration.
My journey, what I've learned along the way is that as debilitating and devastating the reality is and can be when you truly begin to understand it, because the crisis is real. It's a triple planetary crisis. So it's not just a crisis of climate change that impacts every life on Earth.
Hi, that was.
Okay, I'll give you a
Yeah, a bunch of you just walked out, trying not to take offense at that.
We'll be back. They're probably trying to get a picture.
Should we wait?
No, you can get started. Let them have FOMO.
Yeah. Whoever.
If they have it also, they don't know what it is. They can't explain what they are going through. If you don't know what something is, how can you have it? मैंने पूरा का पूरा शार्क टाइम देखा. कोई इंसान आके ये नहीं बोला कि गौमूत्र बेचेंगे, ताजा गरम. अश्लील ग्रोवर बोल रहा हाँ मैं इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, गाय पे QR कोड चिपका देंगे. पतंजलि का टैटू. Hate that guy. But yeah, back to the depression. They took me to the
फेस का कलर भी, हाइट भी, उसमें लंबे बाल हैं. He's also from some field. No, but that's like I think the masters के लिए तो हिंदी डिप्रेशन. से जा रहे हो वरना कोई भी मेट्रो स्टेशन छोड़ देना पिंक या ब्लू में से.
राजीव चौक पे वो आते हैं, पिंक मिल जाती है, येलो
येलो और